Okay, nara. Taga Kinabawan ni sila oh. Naabot man din Thailand ni sila oh.
Ito Mr. Royal Temple. Please,
okay. Hi.
Wait for
Wait for asa ka di ba ito ng taga Kinabawan no? Naabot man din Thailand eh. Nagpanon man din taga Kinabawan no? Dapat taga ko ano, taga Matanaw, Kiblawan. Kiblawan. Magsaysay din, napa din magsaysay din. Kinakusgan sa magsaysay oh. Okay, wow, nara ang gipangita mga idol oh. Ano yang pinakanindot nga temple dito sa Thailand. Okay.
Mga nindot tao.
Mga nindot. Ikan sila Kinabawan, naabot sila dari Thailand. Kay gusto sila mo tanawan ning temple dari nga nindot kayo. Oh, laglag mo diri mga idol. Lag kitsa patong ulakan he. Pangita lang pamasahe. Ano mo diri? Okay. Tara nakita na ginatong temple mga idol oh. Mabuhay. Wow, pati nandito sa temple eh.
the Royal Temple.
If you standing beside me, and take a look over there, you are going to see the Royal Temple. This is the Temple of Dawn. I would like to give you the history in the first time. Let's say in front of you all construction made from plaster and ceramic. Decoration by ceramic. All ceramic in front of you are from China. Let's go back to Thai history. About 200 years ago, the King of Thailand and the King of China, we were friends. And we exchange our products. For example, Thai country, we send a lot of Thai silk, Thai wood, and also the gemstone. And the King of China at that time said that